unboxing this educational toy, and the big word is space. So it has to do with space. So let me get inside here and pull it on out. Ooh. Whoa. Oops. Ooh, we got something here. I have a space truck, isn't it? Whoa. Astronaut suit? Astronaut? Space car? Telescope? Here's one of the spacemen, astronauts. He's inside there. Can you see him? There's one astronaut. It's a space truck. And here's the other astronaut, and they're going out to space. So if you're into space, and we're going to be talking about space in a few minutes too, is I'm going to show you some planets. Unbox this planet board here. How many of you love to learn about the planets? And here's an astronaut. Now, what is this here? What do you think this represents? The sun! Yes, the sun! Do you know what the third planet from the sun is? It's the Earth! Let's see if we can find the Earth over here. You have to move these around to get the Earth. And the Earth is right here. Boys and girls, this is a puzzle-like educational toy, so you can learn the planets and learn what's out in the solar system. That looks like it's a UFO, flying saucer. Here's a rocket ship. It's flying through the air. Now we have, the first planet is Mercury, and then we have Venus, and you push it up like this, boys and girls.